Welcome to our series of how-to videos. In this video, I want to show you how to import a wheelset XML into a wagon. To demonstrate you this, I open an existing wagon order from the overview page. To import a wheelset into this wagon order, I switch to the tab Wheelsets. On the overview page, I can see all the wheelsets that are in the wagon right now. And I can see a paperclip right next to each of the wheelsets. If I want to import a wheelset for wheelset number 3, I click on the paperclip right next to it. From the opening window, I select the XML file I want to import and confirm it. You can see now that the system is importing the XML file, and if the XML file is correct, the data is imported into the wheelset. To double check, I open the wheelset number 3, and now I can see that on the departure side, the data from the XML file has been imported and is in the wagon order now. Thanks for watching. This was the video on importing a wheelset into a wagon.